Let's look at the selective adjustments, and this time we're going to look at the linear selective adjustment. So I'm going to start by just doing a quick adjustment to the image. And just something to start with, looking pretty good. Okay, so same place over here to the selective edits, hit the plus. This time we're going to choose linear. So I'm going to start by taking a little bit of the color out of the rock from the bottom. So I'm just going to draw up like so. Go to light, go to color, and I'm going to pull out some saturation. And I can adjust this up and down. Looking pretty good. And I'm going to come over here to light, and I'm just going to play with the exposure a little bit. I'm going to make it a little bit darker, play with the contrast, highlights maybe, bring up the shadows, and some whites. And I'm going to hit done. Okay, so I'm liking how that base is looking. Now I'm going to go back and use another linear, and this time I'm going to draw down from the top. And I'm going to go once again back to light. Actually, I'm going to go to color, and I'm going to add saturation to the sky. And I can, pull that down if I want, but I think I'm going to leave it about there, and I can level this out too. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Do I want to do anything else with this? The exposure, yeah, it's making it a little more dramatic. And by playing with the shadows, it kind of levels that out a little bit. And I'm going to hit done. So let's create a version. I'm going to call this L1, create. So this is where we started, and this is where we finished. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to apply this. I'm going to go back to light. Now I'm just going to adjust the overall a little bit further. Now if I feel like the sky is getting a little too much, and it is because it's starting to fall apart, it's starting to degrade, you can see artifacting happening here. What I can do is I can go back to this linear, come back in here, and I can pull that back a little bit. So all of these things are adjustable on the fly. So if you overdo one area, just go back and reduce it. We're going to hit done. I'm going to make a new version. I'm going to call it L2. And here we go. From here to here to here. I'm calling it done. Go explore the linear gradients in selective edits.